Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys the aftermath of styling my hair. This is it. I worked up today. So as you can tell from the title, I tried a Beautycanbraid hair tutorial, and I've always wanted to try one, but I just didn't really have the confidence to do it. I've had this hair laying around my house for about a month. This was supposed to be my vacation hair, but I decided to just wear my natural hair. As you can probably tell, I cut it because it was a little bit too long and a little bit like overbearing, like I just couldn't manage. This is the length of it now. I cut it to about shoulder length, and I still think that I might cut it some more. I did use the 4 packs of hair that she had suggested, so 4 packs of hair will do this style. I have in 2 different colors. I hope you can tell the difference. One is a number 30 and one is like an ombre. Well, you can't see the ombre now because I cut it, so oh well. This is what the top is looking like. I had to bring the net up a little bit more, so my net stops here, and then I crocheted up top here. It's a lot of hair and I don't really like that, but this hairstyle is very nice. I got a lot of compliments today while I was at work. A lot of persons were shocked, I guess because I don't wear like protective hairstyles often, so when I do switch up my hair, it's like a big thing. So it's nice at this length. Like I said, I might cut it a little bit shorter just to be able to manage it. I did use this mousse, and I must say that I'm not sure if it's supposed to feel this way, but this mousse makes my hair feel a little bit sticky, and I don't like that. That's one of the reasons why I cut it up this morning. It was soaking wet and now it's dry, so I guess that's a good thing. And I noticed that this hair tangles a lot, and I don't like that. I don't like hair that tangles. That's another reason why I kept it up. So I don't know. I don't know if this is how it's supposed to be with all the tangles, but I don't really like tangles, so I don't know how I'm going to get past that. That's one of the reasons why I cut it, because the ends were so tangly that I had to cut it, and I thought that that would get rid of the tangles, but it didn't. So in all, this hairstyle took me, well, I can't say, to be honest, it took me a couple of days because I was unsure as to whether I wanted this style, because it was so much out of my comfort zone that I put it off for such a long time. So I like it, to be honest. I like it, but I'm not sure if I would do it again. Maybe if I did it with a kinkier type of hair, or if I did it with like the deep twist that she had used. But this hair is nice, but I'm not really a fan of it, to be completely honest with you. But I do like the style, and I plan to keep it in for a couple of months. So yeah, thank you Beautycanbraid, my gosh, my fellow Caribbean girl, for your tutorials. I really learned a whole lot from you, and I hope you continue to make videos and continue to teach us and continue to meet your goals. So I guess that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment and thumbs up the video if you liked it, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.